Welcome to the Stager Studio 60-second workshop. Smart home buyers need to know what smart home sellers already know. That a professionally staged home tells prospective buyers the homeowner is serious about selling, that first impressions count most, and that the home was worth investing in. And that's when the offers come. Searching for a dream home that's been staged to perfection? Check out these homes now. Stager Studio has been brought to you by Haverhill Staging. Got a home for sale? Stage it to sell and feature it free on Stager Studio. See our website for details.